There were two kids, Bilal, who loved watching funny random videos all day, and Ayan, who used his screen to learn new things. But one day, something surprising happened.
Mom! Dad! Come here, quick!
What's wrong?
Look, I made this!
Wow, you made this by yourself?
This is fantastic! You're really talented, son. I think you'll be a great artist. Whoa, where did you learn to draw that?
I watch videos like these. They teach step by step.
Really? Just from watching videos?
Yep, and not just drawing.
What else do you watch?
Number 1, Art for Kids Hub for drawings like this. Number 2, SciShow Kids, cool facts about volcanoes, animals, space. Number 3, Smile and Learn English, fun cartoons that also help at school.
Now I get it. That's why you're so smart in school. I'm going to start watching those too. Let's draw something together.
Dear parents, it's not about screens, it's about what we choose to watch. The right videos can help kids learn, grow, and discover amazing things.